in and out, arguing, trifling, difficult, baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body. Feel that I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. All of these niggas beat on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah. When I next you call and you talk to the girl,
I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, waste your time. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're giving you what you need, waste your time with me. You could have all the space. I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. You're gonna waste your time. Waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you surrounded, but I know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should have mine. I love you like this, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next out, I get here. I love you like this, I still love you. Rather be chill than alone. I get the sense that it's sounds close. I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to rationate you no more. There's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the point of my get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a phase, man. Now I'm a base, man. Now you play your face down. Got me saying over. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. Got me in nervous to tell me there's a right. And I just want you. And you know what will I'm right. It's not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next out. I can hear. I'm making my best. I still love you. Better be chill than alone. I did it all for love. I did it all on no drugs. I did all of this sober. I did it all for us. The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's facts. Always forgiving. I don't care about opinion. That's facts. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing. Just the beginning. It don't get no better. As long as you hold me down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look at me, 'cause last me forever. Was ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
I better find find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, it's not bad, they be on my ass. I can hear you hating from the back. Balenciaga baddie got a bag. Nigga mention ate it from the back. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Got the jetty, I'ma make a move. Breaking records and I'm breaking news. Just be pressed like who you. I get whatever I like. Bitches won't bark, but they wanna bite. I got too many for using a mic, bitch. Think about that when you type. She wanna party with spice, and the body gon' eat. Bon appetit, ass all fat with the waist on sleep. Change her hair, pretty comb beat. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, look in the mirror, I'm feeling me. Stacking money with a ceiling. 20 to stand on the couch, went out of town. If they feeling me. He like the way that I dress. Throwing bullets to the flex. Like Mimi, I got him obsessed. Them bitches see me as a threat. The baddest in the room, so tell them to make room. Diamonds glisten on my boob. They gon' listen to my tune. Flow the nicest, but I'm rude. I like niggas, bitches too. Ayo, baddie, what it do? Ayo, Maddie, what it do? Not use if I'm already chose. Like, if she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn, if the party not lit, then I'd rather not go. If she feeling hot, then I make that bitch frozen. I get a bitch tired every time that I post. Damn.
This what happened when I think about you. I get in my feelings, yeah. I start reminiscing, yeah. Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her for me. Do this one favor for me. I had to change my players' ways. Got way too complicated for me. I hope she's way
sir. Yeah. We used to stay up and then stay up, have sex and then blow dang. I shouldn't play no games with you, just level up my brain. Last time I saw you, we ain't speak, that was strange. Yes, there's nothing I could do, man, it's true. Exes changed, yeah. Hey, yes, you changed for the better. I know you know how to make me jealous. I was never loyal, let you tell it, yo, but I'm ready to fix it if you ready, baby. Yeah. So give me all of you in exchange for me. Just give me all of you in exchange for me. For me. For real, shout. Yeah, I know.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be